What is up, YouTube? Got another one here for you. Story on this one, it's pretty bad. Previous owner had a habit and they let their friend drive it, wrecked it. This thing used to be a nice vehicle. I know the vehicle personally. It's got a 5.0 all-wheel drive. They completely thrashed the interior, screwed up the body, as you can see. It still runs though, but they did the dumbest thing. It's winter in Washington. It got down to freezing. It blew the freeze plugs on each side. Got that done yesterday before the rain came. The plan for this vehicle is to completely thrash it. I ain't saving it. You're going to see videos of this thing being slammed around a property in the mud, and it's only in two-wheel drive right now. The front drive shaft was removed. I ain't putting it back in. Only reason I bought this is because A, I knew it ran, B, it's got the cylinder heads I need in the intake for my 87 GT Mustang. I'll do that upgrade any day. The wheels are going to be for the black car off to the left. I got 2-inch spacers. This is just your typical auction vehicle. This thing is not worth saving. But it does have 156K on that 5.0, and it runs really good. After I put the freeze plugs in, comes right up to temp, no tick, no knock. Speaking of the interior, the previous owner, which flabbergasted me, kept her dog in the vehicle. The dog ate the seats. There's dog food everywhere inside of it. We had to pull the carpet out, unbolt the seats. I just don't get it. This is going to be the funnest purchase I've had in a long time because I don't care. I don't know. I don't want to roll it. I don't want to wreck it. I don't want to damage that motor. But I can go thrash it around a property, do donuts, do burn-off contests with it. And that's basically going to be its life till the end. In the end, meaning the motor comes out, the tranny comes out, the rear end comes out, then it goes off to the crusher. This is a fitting end for this vehicle. I don't normally go on rants, but this vehicle does not need to be around anymore. It's not worth saving. It's time to use it for parts and have some fun in the meantime. Hope you guys learned something.